I am Mary Beth Battaglia. I'm a certified clinical hypnosis and sound practitioner. I'm a motivational speaker, and I'm the author of Transformation Through Hypnosis. Relax, clear your mind, and step into your power. And today I want to talk to you about something that's very important to me. It's one of the most important things I'm able to help people with through hypnosis, and that is to quit smoking. Quitting smoking is so important for your health. Most people smoke because of a habit, because of boredom, because of stress reduction, because of the nicotine addiction. So that's why sometimes it's a little bit of a hurdle to quit smoking on your own. Everyone can quit smoking on their own, but sometimes you need a little more motivation, support, and a little hand-holding through the process. And that's what hypnosis helps people with. But let's talk about why you should want to quit smoking. First of all, you should only quit smoking for yourself. You shouldn't do it for a significant other. You shouldn't do it for your child. Of course, those are reasons that are part of it, but you should be doing it for you. You need to quit smoking because you want to do it for yourself. You desire it. That's really how you'll get the success. And why would you want to quit smoking? You enjoy that little break maybe in the day. You enjoy that pause in the day and just take that cigarette puff. But it's not so good for the body. When you smoke, it can cause so many health issues. Heart disease, pulmonary issues, cancers. There's so many health issues that are connected to smoking. So it's actually the best thing you could do for yourself and your own health. But now we're living in different times, and there's another reason you want to quit smoking. And that's because smoking doubles the rate of acceleration of the disease of COVID-19. A study was done at the UC San Francisco, and it showed that the progression of the disease was increased 2 times by smoking. There's no better reason, there's no better motivation than for your health today to quit smoking. And there's so many benefits you'll get from quitting smoking. Most people breathe so much easier, better. They can go up a flight of steps, they can exercise better. They feel good because they quit smoking. But the path to quitting smoking sometimes is a little difficult for people. And that's why hypnosis has some really good tools in quitting smoking. So first I want to explain to you how hypnosis works to help you quit smoking. There's no snapping your fingers and you're a non-smoker. It takes steps and it takes work on you. It takes a commitment by you. And one of the things I feel that hypnosis helps you with is to put it in the forefront of the mind, to make you aware of every time you take that puff. And what I find with most people, it's mindless. So we need to bring mindfulness back to the process. And that's one of the things that hypnosis helps. You're much more aware of when you take that cigarette, when you desire it. But a lot of times you don't even realize you're lighting up. So first of all, you might want to think about why you're smoking. Think of the patterns of your smoking. Where is the place you smoke the most? And understand why you're smoking. A lot of people are really connected to that cigarette and they don't even understand it all. And the reason why it can be a little bit of a hurdle to quit smoking is because that cigarette is like your BFF, your best friend. It's been there for all the good times, the celebration. It's been there for all the tough times. And there's a relationship. It's almost a friendship. It's an old friend you're giving up. It's been there for partying. It's been there for so many aspects. Most people have smoked since they're very young, and it's just become a habit. And habits take some time to work through and let go of. And hypnosis can help you quit smoking. It can help increase your motivation. It can increase your awareness so you become a non-smoker for good. With hypnosis, we're looking for longevity for the rest of your life. And hypnosis gives that beautiful support to help you on your path. It gives you the positive affirmations that you need to quit smoking. And it gives you the power within yourself to be able to be strong enough to say no to that cigarette. And that's what's happening with hypnosis. So in hypnosis, you relax, you clear your mind, and in that space, that's where the positive affirmations of being a non-smoker, that's where the positive affirmations of having the strength, the willpower, the motivation to be a non-smoker, that's where the seeds of being a non-smoker start being planted in. And when I work with people, they listen to a recording that's specifically created for them about being a non-smoker. And by listening to that, they're watering that beautiful seeds that we planted about being a non-smoker. So the more they hear it, the more they say the positive affirmations, they're making strong seeds in the mind so that they can take root and they can start growing. But we need to pull the weeds, the connections out of the cigarette. You may not even know what your connection is to the cigarette. Oftentimes we don't know. But routinely, people smoke for boredom. They smoke to sort of end a cycle and begin a cycle. They smoke because of stress. Stress is a big component of why people smoke. There's many different reasons. And one of the things when someone's quitting smoking, we deal with eating as well, because a lot of times that goes hand in hand. So with hypnosis, you're getting a twofold step to quit smoking and keep eating it balanced and the same, so that there's no extra weight gain. And by understanding why you're smoking, what's drawing you there, and in hypnosis, removing the blocks, removing the connections to the cigarette, you're able to release and let go. And that motivation that you get from hypnosis is so important. And having that other person to work with you and support you during a difficult time is very important too. So a lot of things, when you're going to quit smoking, they say vacation is a good time to quit smoking, but you don't have to wait for that vacation. You do have to change some of your routines though. So the habits need to be changed. And that's what hypnosis helps you do. One of the best reasons as well to quit smoking, to me, is the financial gain. Did you know that people spend about $3,000 a year if they smoke a pack of cigarettes a day? $3,000. I don't know about you, but I can think of a lot of good things to do with $3,000 in my life and not put a dirty, toxic cigarette and inhale that into my body. Non-smokers have healthier lives, but learning the relaxation techniques, learning different coping mechanisms, because you're changing the process, you're changing the habits that you used to do. And also vaping is also another thing. Quitting smoking and vaping are both important things to do. So quitting smoking is really important. So I wanted to show you a little bit about relaxation and a little bit about the visualization that happens when you quit smoking. So let's take a moment and just allow yourself to settle in to your seat where you're sitting, and allow yourself to focus on a spot and take a nice deep breath in through the nose and slowly let it out through the mouth. In through the nose and slowly let it out through the mouth. In through the nose, and this time as you exhale, just close your eyes and go into that relaxed place. And just any thought that's on your mind, just let it float out to the top of the mind. Just feel all your thoughts going to the top of the mind and allowing yourself to release them and let them disappear. Any thought that's on your mind, just let them float to the top of the mind. Let them come out and let them disappear into the air. The more you do this, the easier it gets. And just imagine a nice eraser just wiping away the brow or the forehead, and just feel the thoughts being wiped away until the mind is like a clean blank slate. And just see yourself being a non-smoker. See your life as a non-smoker. See yourself choosing to breathe in clean, fresh air now into your lungs. See yourself every day making this choice to be a non-smoker. And just allow yourself to see yourself with good health. See yourself enjoying life even more as a non-smoker. Just take a moment to connect to that. And when I count to 3, I'll have you open your eyes. 1, you're calm. 2, you're a non-smoker. And when I say the number 3, just open your eyes. 3, eyes open, focus and alert. Those are the type of things you do in hypnosis. A lot of visualization, a lot of positive thoughts about being a non-smoker. I'm going to give you some tips right now on what you can do to start quitting smoking today. First of all, you want to make that commitment to yourself that you are going to be a non-smoker. If you want to gradually do it, some people like to gradually quit smoking. Some people want to do cold turkey. There's no right or wrong. It's whatever's right for you. If you smoke in the car, put that cigarette pack in the trunk. Don't make it easy. If you smoke in the house and go outside, change your routine up. Don't go on the same place that you usually do. Go for fresh air, but not for a smoke. But change up the routine. Make the cigarettes hard to get to, so it makes it a little more challenging. Start smoking if you're a righty, smoke with the left. If you're a lefty, start smoking with the right. Make it a little uncomfortable, make it different. And pause. I always say, whatever habit we're trying to break, pause. If you feel you need the cigarette, pause for the moment. Try to find out why you want it. It could be a nicotine craving. It could be just a habit. Take a deep breath, because at the end of the day, smoking is about the deep breaths. So take one without the cigarette. And try to distract your thoughts towards the cigarette. Do something different. And just watch that you can actually create new habits now. And you can distract yourself so you're not thinking of the cigarette anymore. And then you forget about it. We have all seen this with children. We distract them and whatever they wanted to focus on is gone. We can do this for ourselves as well. So those are some good tips to quit smoking. So try some of these tips if you're smoking today. Try these different techniques to stop smoking. And remember, you can save so much money becoming a non-smoker. What better motivation is there than that? But most of all, the biggest motivation I want for you and each of you is your good health. So I hope you enjoyed the tips. I'm Mary Beth Battaglia, certified clinical hypnosis practitioner at Metro Hypnosis Center. And have a wonderful day.